Hello store owners. Today, I'll show you how to set up cart subtotal based discounts so your wholesale customers automatically earn money off once their order reaches a value you choose. No coupons and nothing for you to process by hand. Here on my shop, my wholesale customers already see their wholesale pricing on every product. Now let's reward them for placing bigger orders. Let's head into the wholesale settings and open up the discount tab. From here, I'll scroll down to the cart subtotal price discount section. First, I'll choose the wholesale role this rule applies to. Then, I'll set the subtotal threshold to $5,000. I'll pick percent discount as the type and set the amount to 10%. I'll give it a title my customers will actually see on their cart, and I'll call it bulk order discount. Now I'll click add mapping to create the rule and then hit save changes to make it live. Now let's jump over to my wholesale customer's side and take a look at their cart. They've got 100 tote bags in here, which comes to $2,324. That's still under my $5,000 threshold, so no discount has been applied yet. So let's push this order over the line. I'll bump the quantity up to 250 and watch what happens. The subtotal jumps to $5,810 and my bulk order discount kicks in automatically, taking 10% straight off their order. My customer never had to enter a code, and I never had to lift a finger. That's cart subtotal based discounts. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.